Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to bring back status vertical style in WhatsApp newest update. So first of all, go ahead to the, to your updates. And if you've seen it as vertical, right? Or, vertical stories, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and unfollow if you have followed people. And go ahead right here. Let's say, for example, I followed WhatsApp. Click the three dots at the top right, and then click unfollow, and that will bring back the horizontal or channels that you actually follow, or stories that you actually follow in on the opposite way or the old style. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.